Hey there, it's Wit, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the IQ Panel 2 display board. The kit includes the display board itself, the legs and its hardware, and a slider for the IQ Mini. We're going to start by putting the legs on. These silver pieces go in these 4 holes, just like this. Next, you're going to flip your board over, and you're going to line up the legs with the bolts you just put in place, like this. Then take your thumb screws and thread them in tightly. Repeat the same process with the other leg and make sure the rubber pads are facing down. Next, we're going to flip the board over and we are going to put on our slider. Just peel the adhesive off the top and the bottom. And place it inside the S-line box, just like this. Next, you'll need an S-line sensor not included in the kit, so you can put it on your slider. So you're going to take the adhesive included in your box, and you're going to put it on your sensor. Peel the adhesive backing off. Place it on the acrylic pedestal. When you place it, make sure that the triangle is facing the S-line logo. Insert the slider under the pedestal so that the tab is on the left. Then put the adhesive on the back of the rare earth magnet. Place the magnet on the right side of the slider so you can open and close it as part of your demonstration. Locate the screws and wing nuts that you'll use to attach your IQ Panel 2 to your display board. Remove the back cover from your IQ Panel 2. To remove the back plate, press both of these buttons and then pull it apart. Insert your 2 top screws and then place your back plate on top of them. Then insert your bottom screw. Spin the board around and tighten your wing nuts. Don't forget to run your power through the large hole in the middle. Next, plug in your power. Next, you're going to put your IQ panel back on at about a 45-degree angle until it hooks. Before you close it, be sure to run your antenna through the bottom right corner. Being careful not to pinch the antenna, swing the panel down and snap it into place. And that's it! Power up your panel, pair your S-line sensor, and you're ready for your demo. The display board, how does it start? The panel display board? I got it. Okay, wait, what am I saying? Take the adhesive off of...
That was a great take.
Thanks. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Why
Use your
can't I?
finger on the front edge.
Swing the panel down and snap it in place. Dang it. He's getting bloopers.